Hello everyone, this is Raj Jadhav. Today I am going to explain my first project report in Microsoft Excel, which is based on dashboarding in Excel. So, topic of my project is analysis of employee satisfaction index data. For this, I use some raw data which is downloaded from Kaggle.com. So these are my problem statement related to my data. The first one is the department-wise number of certification. Second one is the rating-wise count of employees. Rating-wise employees in each department. Satisfied employees in city and suburb location. Recruitment type-wise satisfied employees. Undergraduate and postgraduate employees in each department. Rating of employees in various age group. Award received by various age group. Award received by each department. Salary expenses in each department. Salary expenses for various job levels. Age-wise number of employees. So basically there are 12 problem statements which we will gonna solve by using pivot charts and pivot tables. So summary of this project is purchasing department has more certificate holders and number of high rated employees. The tech department has less salary expenses as compared to other department. There are large number of young employees having 5-star rating. Balance between number of young and old employees. So these are the graph related to problem statement. So from this graph we can will conclude that sales department has highest number of certification while marketing department has less number of certification. So second graph is related to the department wise employees rating. From this graph we will conclude that purchase department has highest number of high rated employees as well as low number of first rated employees. So third one is the recruitment type and location wise satisfied employees. From this, we conclude that employees from suburb and city location are equally satisfied. It means there is no gap between suburb location and city location in the basis of satisfaction. So fourth one is recruitment type and location wise satisfied employees. So from this graph, we will conclude that graph will clearly shows that employees who placed through recruitment agency is low. That means number of employees which is placed through recruitment agency is low. Fifth graph is related to UG and PG employees in each department. From this we conclude that sales department has large difference between number of undergraduate and postgraduate employees. And that means sales department has highest number of PG students but as well as very low number of UG students. Purchase department has more number of PG student and technology department has more number of UG student. So next graph is the age-wise rating. From this we conclude the age group between 25 to 29 has more number of 5 rated employees. And age group of 50 to 54 has balance between number of 1 to 5 rated employees. Next graph is the department and age-wise number of awards. Basically, it contains award received by various age groups. From this, we conclude 50 to 54 age group has more number of awards in technology department, and 20 to 24 age group has less number of award in HR department, which is lower in overall list. Next graph is the salary expenses. From this graph will show that job level wise gradually increasing salary expenses. Purchase department has more salary expenses as compared to other department, while technology department has less salary expenses as compared to other department. Next graph is the age-wise number of employees. From this we conclude graph shows there is age-wise balance between number of employees. So this is what my dashboard looks like. I use some slicers. I use some 5 slicers, and there is a refresh button is there. From slicer we you filter the data related to various factors like rating, job level, department, age, and recruitment type. Next one, conclusion. I think company needs to concentrate on factors like employee wages, promotions. This will result in more employee satisfaction, and more employee satisfaction means increase in sales and increasing productivity of company. So thank you.